Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Minecraft multiplayer is disabled. Please check your Minecraft account settings. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open up a Minecraft launcher and select the profile name over here and select manage profile and now select the sign in option. Now you just need to type your email. Now type your password. Select the sign in option. Select yes. In here you just need to select the settings option and go to safety and privacy. In here you just need to scroll down, manage safety privacy setting, click on it, scroll down, select Xbox and Windows 10 device online safety, click on it. In here make sure everything is allowed guys. Everything you just need to select allow. You can join multiplayer games, make sure it is allow. After selecting allow option, select submit option and now settings preferences were successfully saved. Now you just need to close stuff here and reopen the Minecraft launcher. Now you can able to play in multiplayer guys, and that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.